Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Lee Min-ho and Suji's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of a YouTube subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Lee Min-ho and Suji. Their fortune is so wonderful, but harmony is important. How about their fortune harmony? The latter referring to themselves means Lee Min-ho means seawater, and Suji means well-cultivated land. However, they are considered to be a bad combination, just as water becomes cloudy when they meet. Level 1 has a low score. Next is their perception of their spouse. Lee Min-ho regards his spouse as a very lovely and cute being and loves her. Suji thinks of himself as a person who takes care of and supports her. This part fits very well. Level 2 scores higher. The pink heart part is a real spouse's energy. They are all sure of their spouses. Lee Min-ho has a strong spirit of his spouse. They have a clear presence of spouses in each other's fortunes. When they meet each other, they have a strong presence, but they too have very different ways of thinking. So they are too different to feel the same way. Lee Min-ho has a strong business-like disposition as energy out leads to energy focusing. His fortune is a very spontaneous and active flow of energy and a strong business-like disposition. Suji has a strong disposition to be faithful to her given work, such as a model civil servant, as she leads to energy input and energy control. It is passive, well adapted to responsibilities and organizational life, and the self is very strong. It was a meeting between a handsome sculptor and a young Korean sister. So I looked forward to it and analyzed their fortune. The fortune itself is individually very good, wonderful, and enviable. But there are too many differences to feel the same way, right? I hope they will develop and be happy in the field where they can save their strengths. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.